This message was issued at the request of the Innovation Inc. thermal power plant. At around 8:45 p.m. the reactor at the thermal plant went critical. You must evacuate immediately before the 10-minute time frame ends. The reactor is located in South America. If you are receiving this message, it means you are in blast radius of 5,000 miles. Take all necessary items such as documents, passports, battery-powered radio. This message will repeat. If you have missed anything, stay tuned to 115.78 on radio network to continue receiving updates.